Okay.
So let's just look at the two numbers. Which is bigger, 7 or 2?
7.
So since 7 is bigger, is 7 positive or negative?
7 is a positive.
So we know the answer is positive, and then you take the bigger minus the smaller.
Mhm.
So 7 minus 2 here is 5, and we know it's positive, or 5x.
Okay.
Okay, so let's look at another one here. Trying to get my screen, give me some more room here. So let's say it's 3y minus 6y. Okay, and let's look at the numbers. We're looking at 3 and 6. Which is bigger?
6.
6. Is 6 positive or negative?
Negative.
So we know our answer is negative, and then you take the bigger and you subtract the smaller.
Okay.
So 6 minus 3 is
6 minus 3 is um um, um 3.
3, and then you bring this negative down with it, and then the y is here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try another one here. Got to get the skill done. The skill is super, super critical. 8x minus 10x. So you look at the numbers without the sign. Without the sign. Do you see that? We look at 8 and 10. Which is bigger?
Okay.
So this is a question you have to ask yourself. Which is bigger? Which is larger?
Negative 10x. So yeah, and then we have to subtract, and then that will give you negative 2 x.
Very good. Okay. So if you follow this, like you said, whichever one is bigger, you look at that one, you figure out the sign, then you take the bigger minus the smaller every time.
Okay.
So let's say it's 7y minus 4y. Which is bigger? And you want to say the numbers without the sign, so 7 or 4, which is bigger?
7.
Okay, is 7 positive or negative when we look over here?
Positive.
Positive. So
We
we
have
know
to
the
make it
answer,
a positive number because 7 is a positive and 4 is a negative.
right? But then it's 7 minus 4. It's the bigger minus the smaller. 3y.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So if you understand that, we got to try some examples here. What is 12x minus 15x plus 6y?
Okay.
So let's focus over here on the 12x minus the 15x. Let's focus right over here.
Okay. So 15x is the biggest.
Okay, is
Negative.
15. So we know the answer is gonna be negative.
Oh, it's not 15, it's 12.
Well, no. We look at the numbers 12 and 15 without the sign. 12 and 15, which is bigger? Which is bigger, 12 or 15?
15.
15. 15 has a negative in front of it. So the answer is negative. Then you subtract the two numbers. You do 15 minus 12 because you always do the bigger minus the smaller.
Okay.
What is 15 minus 12?
15 minus 12. Okay. 3.
So this is 3x
Negative
plus,
3x, right?
right? So can you combine x's and y's? No.
No.
Let's try another one. 4x minus 6y. I'm sorry, 4x minus 6x plus 2y.
All right.
So which is bigger, 4 or 6?
6.
Okay, is 6 positive or negative?
Negative.
So we know the answer is negative, and then you take 6 and subtract 4, the bigger minus the smaller. What does that become? What is 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4.
Yes.
Okay. 6 minus 4 equals 2.
Okay, so it's negative 2x plus 2y. Can you combine these? Can you combine x's and y's?
No.
No. Okay, so we're going to increase the difficulty slightly here. What is 5x minus 8x plus 2y minus 5y? So this is really two separate problems lumped together. You have to do this part, and then you have to do this part.
Okay.
So 5x minus 8x, same set of questions. Which is bigger, 5 or 8?
8.
8. Is 8 positive
Subtract
or
by
negative?
5.
Right, so 8 minus 5 is 3, but since 8 is negative, you put the negative sign.
Negative 3, right?
Negative 3x, very good. Try to do the same thing over here.
It's 5. 5 is the greatest, and it's negative.
So this becomes negative. 5 minus 2 is 3.
3y.
Right. Now I've put a lot of space here, but your final answer should be minus 3x plus minus 3y or something like that. Okay, let's try another one here. 9x minus 2x plus 8y minus 12y. And again, you have to do these as two separate problems and work them together. So this and then this.
Okay. All right.
So which is
Yeah.
bigger, 9 or 2?
9.
9. So the answer is positive because 9 is
The
positive.
positive. Yeah.
And then you take 9 and subtract 2.
Okay, that equals 7.
7x. Good. Plus 8y minus 12y. Which is bigger, 8 or 12?
12.
Is 12 positive or negative?
Negative.
So the answer is negative. And then you have to take 12 and subtract 8.
Hmm. Four.
Minus 4y.
It's 4y.
Have you been taking some of these examples down? Have you been taking notes on these?
Oh, yeah. I did that on Monday.
Yeah, but have you been taking notes today? Have you?
Notes? Yeah.
Okay, because I want to give you one here. I want to see if you can do it on your own. 5x minus 3x plus 6y minus 9y. Okay, so take a minute or two here and see if you can do this on your own.
Okay. All right.
Let me know when you come up with an answer, please.
Hmm. 2x plus negative 3y. Are you there?
Let's try another one here. 8x minus 11x minus 3y plus 6y. So give that one a try, please.
Yeah. Negative 3x minus 3y.
Sorry, you didn't hear me there. Which is further from 0, 3 or 6?
It's negative 3y, right?
You got to answer my questions because that leads you to it. It is negative
Yeah,
3y
3y
plus.
and 6y equals 3y.
Okay, I heard something different, but that's okay. Good. Okay. So now the next variation on this type of problem that I can give you is one where I mix up the variables and the letters. Okay, so now the x's are not next to each other, and the y's, they're not next to each other either. So you want to rewrite this so that they're next to each other. 8x plus 4x minus 12y plus 6y.
I know, I know.
And now it's a problem that you know how to do. So go ahead and give this a try. And let me know when you get your final answer on this one.
4x plus negative 6y.
The second part is correct. It is definitely negative 6y.
I know it's going to be.
They're both positive. So I threw in a little wrinkle here just to see if you were going to just keep patterning it, or if they're both positive, what do you do?
Add?
Just add them.
What?
This is like 8 plus 4.
Okay, I got it.
So here's some other possibilities. Negative 12x minus 6x. If they're both negative, what do you do?
All
Your
right.
answer,
I think I got it. I think I got it. It's so negative 12x and negative 6x, you have to add.
you have to add, but it keeps the sign. So if it's plus 4y plus 8y, they're both positive. So what do you do there?
Add 12y.
12y. So it's only when one is positive and one is negative, or one is negative and one is positive, that you end up having to figure out which one is bigger or not.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's try another one here. 6x minus 9y minus 8x plus 6y. 6y. So notice these are not in order. That's the first thing you should notice. You should notice that this 6x doesn't go with minus 9y, it goes with minus 8x. And I would recommend rewriting it. So I would recommend writing 6x.
I got.
Okay. So I want you to do this next line. And then I'll let you try one from the beginning here if you give me the correct answer.
I know, I'm doing it.
Great. How are you doing on this one?
I'm doing good.
Okay. Anytime, let me know when you get your final answer.
Okay. Negative 2x plus 3y.
Excellent. Okay, so let me give you another one here that you can do from the beginning on your own. 4y minus 3x plus 5y minus 2x.
Okay, I'll do it. All right.
You have your final.
9y negative 5x.
Perfect. Great. You're really getting this down here. Let's try a few more here. Negative 3x minus 5y plus 4y minus 6x.
Negative 9x plus 1. Yeah.
Why are these -1?
What?
What,
No,
why?
I know. I was not saying -1. I was saying 1y. Oh my goodness.
I heard subtract 1y. So,
No, it was no. I was supposed to be saying add, but I put down 1y. I'm just sorry. I just accidentally
no,
spoke
that's
to my
great.
mouth.
That's
It was a 1y because I wrote it down. I forgot to tell you 1y.
okay. Did you write this?
No.
Okay, it's -1y because -5 and 4, 5 and 4, 5 is further, is the bigger number. 5 is negative. That's why it becomes negative. So you're
Oh,
getting
okay.
this. You're getting this. You just let's keep doing more examples here. You're really close. So let's go -2x plus 4x minus 3y plus 4y. Go ahead and give that one a try.
I'm gonna be doing it.
Okay. Let me know when you get your answer. And we'll do it differently this time. I'll write the answer and you tell me if that's what you wrote.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so let me write the answers. Are you ready for
No,
it?
no, no, I got it. No, I
Okay.
got it. Let me
Okay.
just finish it and then I'll be ready.
I see.
I'm almost done. Just need to finish this.
Take as much time as you need. It's important that you get your practice in on this.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, let me write out the answer. It's 2x
Negatives.
plus 1y.
Oh yeah, that's right. All right. Yeah.
Okay, you wrote something different than this is what it sounded like, and that's okay.
Yeah. I was just not. I was just paying attention on your board.
Let's try another one here. All right, give this one a try, please.
Negative 1x plus 1 y.
Yeah, that's great. Negative 1x plus 1y. That's perfect. Let's try another one here. Try this one.
All right. Okay, I'll do that. Negative 8x, okay, negative 8x plus 2y.
This is the correct answer.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I know. I knew it.
Okay, so again, like you're comparing these two, right? And 6 is bigger and it's further from 0.
Yeah. I just, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do more here. There's plenty of time here.
All right, I think I'm knowing, by the way.
Say that again.
I think I'm knowing, by the way. I'm knowing, by the way. I got everything in here.
I think you're understanding, but I want to see you do a couple of these correct in a row before we move on.
Correct for the one time?
More than one in a row.
Is it like hardcore or something?
No, it's just that we can't move on past this because you have to get this perfect, or the next thing we do won't be. It'll just create more problems. So I'm looking for a couple in a row here that are completely correct from you.
Okay. Negative 2x minus negative 2y.
Okay, let me write it out here. Minus 3x minus
No, no, no,
2.
no, no, I was no. I said negative 2x minus 2y. Negative 2x and negative 2y.
But okay, but this is 3x and minus 6x.
I knew. I'm just trying to pay attention. I'm sorry.
That's okay. No, no, like you get another chance. This isn't like there's no
Yeah. I'm just always keep just looking at different answers.
Well, believe me, if we don't do this right, we won't be able to do anything else. So we got to get this down within reason. So let's try another one. Minus 2x minus 4y plus 5x minus 3y. Let's try another one.
Negative 3x, negative 7y.
Look at it one more time. There's a small error in what you just said. Small error,
Alright,
very small.
Okay. Yeah. I got, hold on. Okay, I'm almost done. Three x negative 7y.
That is correct. Okay, so let's try one more. If you can do this right, we'll move on to something else.
All right. I'm almost done. Hold on.
I'm standing by. There's no rush here. It's make sure you get the right answer because I really want to move on to other stuff too. But I got to make sure you know this. So take the time you need.
Okay. negative 10x, negative 10y.
You got it right. Excellent. Perfect. Okay. We're going to move on to something new, something
Okay.
different. Okay. All right. So I'm going to say 3x plus 4y in parentheses. I'm going to put a negative on the outside or a subtraction symbol. We did this a little bit yesterday. Maybe you've seen it in class. Not sure. Tell me if this looks familiar at all. Sourish, is this familiar? Have you seen this before?
I don't know or something.
Okay, so what you do here, and just follow along here, is you distribute this negative in. So this 3x is positive, so it becomes negative 3x. This 4y is positive, so it becomes minus 4y. Okay, so just let me leave that example up and let's try another one. Negative minus 3x minus, let me change these numbers up a little bit here. Negative 5x minus 6y. So this negative distributes into both of these. This is the distributive property. So this becomes positive 5x and this becomes positive 6y. Is that okay? Like, do you believe that?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, let's try something else here because I'm not sure that was clear. What is negative 5x? What do two negatives become?
A positive.
Positive. Now you've probably heard that, but it undoes the other. So this is 5x. What is negative of 3y? Well, 3y is positive, so the negative takes over. So this becomes negative 3y. Okay, so let's try something simple here. What is 5x minus a minus 3x? What does this subtraction operator do?
Wait, can you go back up?
Sure. Two negatives make a positive, but we don't write.
Where did you get 3, by the way?
Which one here? It's a separate problem. So let's look at this one because this is where we're going. 5x minus a minus 3x. This subtraction goes with the negative here.
Okay.
So these two negatives become a positive. Have you seen that before? So what is 5x plus 3x? Help me out with that.
5x plus 3x. 8.
8x. Let's do another one here. 9y minus a minus 2y. 9y minus a minus 2y.
All right, I know that. Okay, I know that. Hold on. Just need to find it.
The two negatives make a positive. This is 9y plus 2y. What is 9y plus 2y?
9y plus 2y. Yeah. 9y plus 2y equals a negative 11y.
There's no negatives though. How
That's yep, it's 11y.
11y. Let's try another one here. 4x minus a minus 3x. So this negative out, this subtraction symbol goes with the negative here.
7x.
7x. Okay. So you're starting to get it. So let me throw in a little wrinkle here. Minus 6x minus a minus 8x. What does this subtraction operator do to this right here?
Create a positive.
So it becomes minus 6x plus 8x.
Yep, I know that.
Okay, give me
It's
the
Negative 14x.
Is this negative here?
Okay, yeah, 14x.
No, no. Which is one's positive, one's negative. Which is which is bigger, the 8 or the 6?
8.
So the answer must be positive. And then you take 8 and subtract the 6. So this is 2x.
Okay. Okay, go back up again. I need to see, go back up again, please.
Sure, sure. This one is positive.
Okay.
This one is positive. If I don't write anything, it's positive.
Okay.
Let's try another one. Minus 3y minus a minus 5y.
Okay. All right. And that is a 2y.
It is. It becomes minus 3y plus 5y, which is 2y.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's try another one here. Let's say it's 6x minus a minus 3x. What is that?
Nine x.
It is 9x. Okay. Now, what if there's nothing in here? So like what is minus 5x minus 4x? See how there's no subtraction negative operator over here with the 4?
Mm-hmm.
So there's nothing for this to combine with. So this just becomes minus 4x. I'm sorry, minus 5x minus 4x. What does that become? They're both negative. They're both
1x.
but they're both negative. So the answer has to be negative. And then you just add the numbers.
Okay.
So what is the answer here? Give me the final answer.
That is going to be negative 1x.
But they're both negative. So that means you write a negative and then you add the numbers.
Oh, yeah, yeah. But
So what is 5 plus 4?
okay, all right.
Let's try one more.
No. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. It's negative 9x.
It is. Okay, let's try this one. Negative 6x minus a minus 3x.
Okay. I need to write that. All right. It is 3x.
So let's take a look at what happens here. So you minus 6x, this subtraction goes in because there's another subtraction. This becomes plus 3x.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
try it again here. Give me the
Then
answer
how did
from
you get
here.
to? Then how did you get subtraction up there? Can for the for the
There was nothing.
Go back up. Go back
inside.
up.
There was nothing inside here.
Oh. Well, okay.
So help me out here. What is minus 6x plus 3x?
Minus 6x plus 3x. 9x.
But 6 is negative and 3 is positive. So which is larger, the 3 or the 6?
6. Oh, wait, it's negative 9x.
You got to answer my questions. Which is larger, 6 or 3?
6.
Is 6 positive or negative?
Positive.
It's got a negative sign in front of it.
Mhm.
So it's negative. So the answer is 6 minus 3, negative 3x.
Yep, that's right. Okay.
Okay, so is your dad around? We can,
Okay. Yeah, Dad.
Hello, hi. How did you do
There-
today?
you did well. We got through a lot of material, kind of a similar pattern to yesterday. It seems like there's a small drop off at the end for him, but he's doing a lot of problems. So I think maybe it's just overload, you know.
I think I'm now knowing because you gave me the notes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he's doing really well, but it like anything else, you know, there's saturation point. So you know, we'll keep doing it, but and I think he's doing really well. We got through a lot of stuff. We're still working on the same things from the other night, but he was getting it. He was doing them. More of them are correct. If they weren't correct, just small errors. So definitely would be good to continue doing a lesson a week or
Okay,
two.
sound, please. Sorry. Sorry, I'm listening to
Okay,
him.
now
please.
you can listen.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Basically just keep recommending do 1 to 2 lessons a week, and we'll want to get back to whatever he was working on in class also, but we covered a lot of examples tonight.
Okay, great.
And he's doing
Okay.
doing really well.
Okay, thank you. I think we'll continue the same thing next week, Wednesday and Thursday.
Sounds good.
Should I book the lessons automatically, or can you book it 6 to 7?
I can
have to
do
book it?
that. I can do that, but I'd have to send you, I'll send you an invoice.
Yeah, that's fine with me. Yeah,
And you'll just have to make payment, you know,
Yeah.
within a day or two, because they
I will do it.
cool. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Welcome.
you.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Have a great night. Bye.